How to reset a league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to reset a Fantasy Premier League, then it is important to know that FPL does not provide an actual button to completely reset an existing private league score back to zero. Instead, there are a few workarounds. So what you can do is simply open Fantasy Premier League on your device and firstly make sure that you are signed in. And now go ahead and tap on the leagues and cups option you see there. And if it is a new season and you are the league administrator, you can tap on the renew your leagues option and then go ahead and renew your existing leagues to carry over members from the previous season. However, if you want a completely fresh session and you are using head-to-head league, then tap on leagues and transfers again and then tap on the create a new league option. Further, go ahead and create a new league depending if you want a classic scoring or head-to-head scoring. You can then go ahead and enter your league name and then go ahead and select your scoring start, and once selected, tap on the create league button you see there, and with this your new league will be created. So this was a quick workaround to reset your league in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.